Hey everyone, I just want to make a quick video kind of vlogging what my next project is that I'm working on. No, it's not bunny related, but it does have some cute sheepies. So this is all of this gorgeous fabric that I have. I am going to be making this woolly sheep wall quilt hanging. It is a design by Rachel Pellman from Rachel's of Greenfield, and if we look inside, you'll see that we have some like cotton fabric for the background, and the best part, dun 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 dun, cute little wool pieces. Oh, I can't even, they're just so cute. So that is what I will be working on tonight. Leave a comment down below what project you are working on today.